Hey guys, LegalLockPIcker here today with another addition to our Jackknife comprehensive review series that's coming up shortly. Just arrived in the post today. I wanted to get it unboxed so we can get this review going. This multi-pick extended set here was ordered from Lockpick World, the extended Jackknife. Pocket pick set, Black Line edition, came in at $62.99 and free shipping. So let's get this open. And so it actually got here pretty quick, which is great. I was not expecting it to get here as quickly as it did. And I can't tell you the comments you guys left me in the last video about how we should be rating these Jackknife sets and all the other things that are involved with doing this, and I'm calling it a comprehensive review is because we want to make sure we're as in-depth as possible, and so that's pretty much where we're at right now. So after this multi-pick set, we've got one more to go, and that's just Mad Bob's, and that's the one we are waiting for before we could continue. Alright, so this is the multi-pick extended set. Comes with a diamond, hook, snake, 6 mountain pick, half ball pick, an extractor, and a special tension tool. Okay, it just looks like the regular version. So I hope it comes with the extended set. Okay. Alright, so okay, it does come with the added parts. If we look here at the shows you exactly what not to do. Oh, that's good, that's brilliant. And then it shows you what to do to pull it out. Okay. I've got one kit I'm not exactly good at pulling out. Of the jackknives, anyway. So first impression here on this multi-pick unbox is it's a nice feeling jackknife. I'm not gonna lie. I actually have some battle wounds trying to close and open them in different ways, so this is actually really exciting. This feels really nice. I can't. It's definitely very lightweight. Once we get this on the jeweler scale, and we'll figure out what's the exact weight of it. Okay, let's check out the extension system. We don't need to go into a full review because it's an unboxing video, but okay, so this is the thing that goes in the hoop here. Just so everybody here knows, we've got, once the Mad Bob's gets here, we are ready to go. Alright, so we've got that, this. Okay, these are the extension tips here. And just so everybody knows, all the jackknives don't come with extension tips, and there are some that you can't switch or add them even if you wanted to. And this is not one of those. If you guys just, these are just magnificent. I'll tell you straight off the bat, these are magnificent. I have to imagine this will rank. How many do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And Mad Bob. This will definitely rank in the top 5. That's for sure. So you can. Wow, you can definitely. This is definitely a multi-pick brand, because these are all, you could use these straight out of the box. That's how smooth these are. I mean, this is just fantastic. This is incredible. Oh, I'm definitely gonna have to play around with these for a little bit. Alright, so let me check that out. I'll put those back in there for a second. I'm gonna loosen this bad boy. Wow, that was easy. Okay, so tension tool, it popped right out. Oh, look at that. it's tapered here at the end. I don't think I've seen any of the jackknives have a tapered tension tool. And let's... Okay. Now I'm going to get a more in-depth video. This is really just for the unboxing purposes. Look at these. Wow, these are really nice looking. Plus they feel nice as well. You can tell that they've been tumbled. Let's see what else you got hiding in there, Multipick. Oh, there it is. You see that? Let me see if I can get a light. That right there is the neoprene earth magnet that they put in there. There it is. And that's supposed to keep the picks in here. So let's say we're just going to use this one, and we push them down, tighten it up, and then yeah, that way they don't fall out. Wow, that's absolutely brilliant. That is brilliant. Okay, what's this say here? Got the light on the opposite. Made in Germany. Oh, okay. Alright, guys. This is the unbox for the Multipick extended jackknife version, and I can tell you this is a really, really nice jackknife. I can't believe I didn't get this earlier, just for personal use. I mean, the last one we did was the Southward one, and I thought there was no way there was going to be a better jackknife than that. But we're going to find out. We're going to find out which one's better, because once we get through all these jackknives, we are going to find out who's the king of the multi jackknife picks set. Alright, guys, if you like this video and you want to see more of my upcoming videos, please like and subscribe, and make sure that you hit that bell, and remind you to watch these videos as soon as they come up. Don't forget I'm on Instagram and Twitter at LegalLockPIcker. See you guys next time.